On and this is your boy again, KC the Great in the building, and I'm here to share some wonderful things with you today, like I always do every day regarding the crypto chart and all of that. Today is 23rd of October 2023, and we will be looking at a lot of things. We'll be taking a look at charts, that matter in the game, and also we will definitely be looking at some news, you understand, to know what we need to prepare ourselves for. And checking economic calendar seems to be nothing happening today, and we're going to be taking a look at the cryptocurrency market. But you know the drill. If you've not subscribed to the channel, you might want to do that right now. The channel is growing so fast, and I must say a big thanks to you guys subscribing to the channel. And please do not forget to turn on the notification bell so you can get all this juicy content I will be bringing to your ears or to your view every day, 5 days a week, Monday to Friday, and educational content will be dropping every weekend. If you've not subscribed to the channel, you might want to do that right now. Subscribe right here, like, share the video with other people, and do not forget to follow us on social media handles so you can get some short videos will be dropping, which you can learn one or two from me. There's so many content you can learn from the chart analysis. You can learn the pattern, you can learn structure spikes and all of that, and you can even learn other things that have been going on in the crypto space. So it's Crypto Be 101, the home of value and good information when it comes to cryptocurrency trading and investment in general. My name is Ahmed Oladmeji Kazeem, aka KC the Great, and this is what I've got for you today, and you don't want to miss it. First of all, let's start with the cryptocurrency market cap. The cryptocurrency market cap has now appreciated with 2.1%, and from the last video last week, it was about 0.5, we moved to 1 point something, now 2.1%. And that being said, we can see from the news that the crypto market has added about 100 billion US dollar weekly as BTC reclaimed 30,000 cap back, you understand. So I believe the reason why we're having the cryptocurrency market cap shooting up is because of some of the news I'm going to be sharing with you, because a lot of people are thinking if that should happen, we could possibly be having a bull run, and we do not want to miss the next bull run. Though a lot of traders, a lot of analysts have said it might be to end of 2024 before we're going to have the all-time high. But you know, before you have the all-time high, there's going to be a movement from a certain period of time, month to month, till we have another all-time high. And right now the cryptocurrency market cap is sitting at 1,203 billion US dollars, and the top 10 still remain the same, from BTC to Ethereum to Theta to BNB, XRP, USDC, Lido, Stake, Ether, Solana, Cardano, and Dogecoin still remain our top 10. You can see we're in the Greenland. All of them look superb, look really beautiful being green. We're not seeing any red sea among the top 10 cryptocurrency in the game. I haven't said that. Let's check what is going on in the market today, talking about the fundamental news. Whoops, we got nothing today. Nothing, no news today. So you guys need to stick around for what we'll be having tomorrow, because definitely we have great news that will be coming up tomorrow, and I would like to share that with you. So let's go back to the news quickly so we can know what is going on. We can see crypto market added about 100 billion US dollars weekly as Bitcoin reclaimed 30k back. And why is XRP Ripple price up? I'm going to discuss that with you. And we can see Bitcoin skyrocketed above 30k. XRP development and Shiba Inu. Why will Shiba Inu explode following the Bitcoin rally? We have to check the chart out, you understand. Let's take a look at some news before we move to the chart analysis itself. We can see that right here, Hong Kong reserve stance on spot crypto ETF investing with a catch, and you can see this ETF has been the reason why we've been seeing this massive up and down in the market. And you guys need to be careful, because we had GBTC last week, saying they're going to kind of win the appeal with the SEC, and now we'll see BlackRock. I'm going to share the news about the CEO of BlackRock talking about Larry Fink and tell you what he's saying. Guys, good news, big things are coming to cryptocurrency, and this is the time you need to learn how to trade, or you need to know something about blockchain, cryptocurrency, and all of that, and get, even though it's $100, to invest in the space, so you can be part of people that are going to be smiling when the great recession comes around, or when there is another bull run in the market. Now, talking about WLD, for the lover of WLD, Sam Altman World Coin switches ORB reward plan to boost WLD. WLD will no longer be paying the reward in USDC, rather they will be paying it in their own token, which is the world coin I'm talking about. And in case you're trading it, we're going to take a look at it as well, so you do not want to go anywhere. Right now, let's take a look at some news right here. We can see FTX creditor claims value at 0.50 cents, suggesting potential recovery of half of the user asset. We pray to see something like that. Now, let's take a look at the main news today, which is this one. Guys, look at this. The BlackRock CEO Larry Fink pivot from skeptic to embarrassing Bitcoin as mainstream asset. And you can see right here, the BlackRock CEO Larry Fink has gone from being a crypto skeptic to embarrassing crypto as a mainstream asset class over the years. Fink's views on Bitcoin have evolved from calling it an index of money laundering to recognizing its potential as a store of value. Can you see? BlackRock has made move to support the crypto industry, including hiring the head of digital asset and investing in cryptocurrency related company. This is big news, guys, and we need to take advantage of this. We all know BlackRock is the largest asset under management in the whole world. They have shares in all these things you're buying, all these things you're doing. So if they are getting into cryptocurrency, definitely, if the ETF should be approved, we're going to see massive jump, massive move coming into the cryptocurrency space, and you do not want to miss that. And you can see a lot of critics, a lot of people that have been skeptical about, including Larry Fink, has now come out to say Bitcoin is a store of value. So definitely they might be looking at investing in it or something like that. So we need to watch out for that. And you can see WorldCoin Foundation will pay ORB operators in WorldCoin tokens instead of USDC. We pray that boost the WorldCoin token as well. All right, having go through the news, now let's go down to the chat. But if you've not subscribed to the channel, please support your boy. I urge you to do that. Subscribe right here, like and share the video, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell so you can be part of all the great things that are happening on this great platform. Now let's move to the chart analysis, guys. Let's move to the chart analysis. And what are we looking at right here? We can see BTC has been doing some wonders. You can see it has moved from about 26,800 to almost 30,900, about more than 4,000 points. We've seen the movement that has been going on. Why are we experiencing this rally? It's nothing but because of the ETFs news that have been going around all over the world by some big and good investment thinking they could use or seize the opportunity to launch the BTC ETF, and people that don't want to own it in their wallet could possibly be able to trade it without stressing of saving in their wallet or having to take care of the security that has to do with cryptocurrency. But right now, let's take a look at the chart. We can see it's been possibly moving nicely, but now this is what we're going to look at today. We saw the move break at 29,900, which is a signal right there, and I traded it today. You can check the community. You're going to see the gains. I posted it right there, now creating a movement. Now if we draw this out from the last movement that we had, we can see we have a spike 1 2 3, and I told you we could be looking for our 4 around this point, which we got our 4. Then we saw this movement, and whenever we have this movement, what do I expect? That means we have our 1 2 and 3 3 4, then we have our 5 as a breakout. Anytime we have our 5 as a breakout, two things must happen. Either the market come back to this point to 0.78 to mitigate the space before shooting up, or we're gonna see the market continue moving up, continue breaking the higher highs. And now if that should happen, what are we expecting to do? We're expecting to see a kind of structure here. If there is a structure, then we're breaking out, we're gonna take a buy. Or if there's no structure and this green continue to move ahead like this and we break above 30,987, I expect us to take a buy using your risk reward, guys. Okay, now what if we've exhausted the buy and we're looking for a short? Probably we're going to see the market pull back, or we're going to see the market coming down to take a short. Where are we expecting to take a short? The moment this finish green, this candle you're seeing on the 2 hour should finish green, and now we have another candle coming down from, let's say this one finished green, and now because this is we have 2 hours for the candle, 2 minutes for the candle to finish. So if the candle should finish the next 2 hours, finish green, then we have another candle coming down to break this green or to break this lot size. I expect us to take a short. I expect us to take a short right here, and our stop loss will be right here. You can see. So that is what I'm expecting for BTC right now, guys, because I'm expecting to pull back to this zone. So if a short should happen, correct. At the same time, if you do Fibonacci, this is 0.38. If it should continue with another green to go up and is breaking this zone, I expect us to take buy immediately. That should happen. So that is what I'll be looking at, especially we're waiting for New York session to open and should overlap with London session. You know, we normally have great volume there, so that's what we'll be looking at on BTC. So now let's check WLD seems roaming between one place, even though we had the news coming out they're going to be paying the WRB in their own token, but we've seen that it's just been moving sideways. But what am I seeing right here? If you look at it, we've been seeing massive movement, talking about higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and so on and so forth. But now what is the take out of WLD coin today? WLD, we bring this in, we've already created a structure right here. We have the structure broken already. So where do we need to get into the market? I will expect us to get into the market if the market should just pull back a bit to somewhere here, which is going to be our 0.78 Fibonacci or 0.618 Fibonacci, then create another structure. Then the moment it's coming to break it down, that is where we need to get into the market as a sell. You understand? But is it a buy right now? No. Even if we go to lower time frame, which is 30 minutes, because that was 2 hours, there is no lower time frame signal yet, so we just need to wait. Or make sure you follow our communities, you subscribe to our channels, where I'll be dropping the continuation of all these gems, all these coins, so you can know if you need to buy or sell. Because sometimes this thing might not happen as I'm recording, it might happen when or after I've recorded the show, and you don't want to miss us. So make sure you subscribe to all the community down. The links are down in the description, and subscribe to our CoinW platform. Subscribe to our social media handles so you can get the best of the best on this channel. So that's that on WAD. Let's take a look at XRP. XRP has been making the news, and we've been seeing the massive movement from 0.47 to where it is now. But we've been seeing a lot of spikes, guys. You know me, the moment you start seeing a lot of spikes, you need to you don't need to overlook the spikes, guys. The spikes rather, which is the wicks. You understand? You need to make use of them. And when you look at the wicks, we've been seeing a lot of things going on right here, which this is our 1, this is our 2, and this is our 3, and now possibly this is our 4. You understand? and we're expecting our 5, but right now we have a spike here, and we have invisible what? We have an invisible sell. You understand? Invisible sell candle. So if market should come down and break 0.52, it is a sell for WLD, and we're going to be using our risk management reward to calculate the point at which we need to set our stop loss. Don't forget, that is very important as well. But if this red candle or green candle continue to move ahead, then we're gonna wait, let it break out finally, then come back to retest 0.618 or 0.786 Fibonacci. Then we're gonna take our trade right there. But where will I be using to short? Where will I be waiting to short WLD now? I'm waiting to short WLD if it breaks 0.525. But like I always say, you can subscribe to the channels, to the communities, where you can get the update of what is going on in the market. So we're looking at it now. It's a buy already. I'm not going to force the market. It could continue to be a buy, fine, but I know at a point in time it must come back. If they should finish red, we already have a spike here that finished, but we have a green that is continuing. If the green should continue, the green candle I mean should continue and break at the end of the day, that means we have a total breakout. Then we're going to wait for 0.618 or 0.78 Fibonacci before we get into WLD. But let's check the lower time frame and see if there is any buy or whatever. Now you can see we have a structure for sell here. You can see we have a structure for sell here at 0.52, the same thing with the higher time frame. But now we've been having a movement that has been creating a spike. So now we're just going to wait to see if we're going to have some kind of trend. If we have some kind of trend, which is break this, go back, then the moment we're coming to break it back, we're going to get into the market. So right now, if you didn't get into the market from here around 0.51, I don't think you should buy again. You should just wait. Let's see what happened with WLD. Now let's go to ETH, which is Ethereum. Ethereum is creating a nice movement. We can see it's been giving us higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, no spikes, you understand, apart from this spike right here where we have 1 2 3, we have 4 around there. Then we have the massive entry here, which is 164, and the market move ahead. Now we've created a structure here, but we've not broken it. So what I'll be waiting for is if ETH is coming to break 1660, I'm going to take a short. I'm going to take a short and pull my stop loss, because, or I can even get in early at 1669 around this point and pull my stop loss at 17. You understand? 17. That's what I'll be looking at for Ethereum. You understand? But at the long run, we could have the market creating other structures or signals. That is why it's very important for you to join our community, so you can get all the juicy content or all these understandings to continuing whatever we've dropped on the show. You understand? So that's Ethereum. Let's check the lower time frame with the Ethereum also to know what is going on. In the lower time frame, we'll see we already have a structure right here. We already have a structure. This is, and we have a breakout, and we have a retest, and we have, this is not a breakout, it's still a retest. So what will I be looking at? I'll be looking at Ethereum. If we break this, even 167, I could possibly be shorting Ethereum, because it has already shown we have a trend. This is 1 2 3 4 5. So now any turn around there, it's a sell for Ethereum. But right now we already have 1 2 3 a breakout. Then we have mitigation done here. Then, but this couldn't break it out to confirm our trend. But if we come down to break this, that could be our trend. But where do we need to buy if you want to buy Ethereum now? We already have 1 2 breakout. Let's see if it's going to come down or move ahead. If it's breaking our 1683, we need to get in back with Ethereum and continue to ride it above. So that's just the chart overview for us today, and you might just want to take advantage of that. Let's quickly check what could be happening with BTC. BTC tends to have moved nicely, you understand, and I think if you look at BTC, create a structure on the lower time frame, break it, but fails to turn it into a trend. So if it fails to turn into a trend, we might be looking to even buy back BTC at 3700 or 3750 thereabout, depends on how the market move. But on a higher time frame, which I normally use, we're seeing what we call 1 2. There's no sell yet, it's still a buy. Where am I going to sell BTC? I'm going to be shorting BTC if it breaks 3447. Then I'm going to put my stop loss at about 31k there about. You understand? That is if it should come down. But for right now, BTC is still a buy because we saw the market come down, but now not creating any kind of continuation. Even though we saw the how am I gonna call it, the candle structure, which is a bullish, a bearish engulfing. You understand, that is engulfing there. So I expect the market to fall around. I'm not gonna lie to you, that's what I actually expect from this market to do. I expect it to fall because this, anytime we have this engulfing or this candle structure, it will just push a bit, but we'll later see the market come down. But this is trading, that's what I expect to happen. But if it should continue going up, we're just going to stick to our buy. But if it should come down and break this 3447, I'm going to take a shot, guys. So that's what I have for you on BTC, XRP, WLD and ETH today. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do that right now. Subscribe, like and share, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell. And I'll prepare some educational content I'll be dropping this weekend. Very nice things for you guys that you would like to learn to. And please comment down in the comment section, tell us what you need us to improve on, what you think we should add to our content, what you think we should remove from our content. And mind you, we are going to listen to you. Alright, I still remain myself, Ahmed Oladmeji Kazim, aka KC the Great, and this is what I've got for you today. Subscribe, like and share, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell. And this is Crypto Be 101, the home of value and good information when it comes to cryptocurrency trading and investment. Until I catch you on another video, peace out.